Hello friends, welcome back to another useful and informative video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove iPhone unavailable, iPhone disable, security lockout and activation lock without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until then and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without wasting any time. You can see my iPhone is disabled. Try again in a minute. Simply tap on the emergency section and enter the secret pin code star 8603 star 582 star 107 star 662 star 483 star 971102 star 483 star 882 star and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, this code is also added on your iPhone backend. You can see appears on screen. Pin code is automatically added on your iPhone backend. You can see iPhone is still asking for a passcode. Tap on the emergency section and enter another secret pin code star 000 star 103 star 562 0482 star 76283 star 481 9911 star 73 star and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, this pin code is also added on your iPhone backend. You can see pin code is automatically added. Go back, open the control center and make sure you turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or any type of VPN. You can see my iPhone is still locked. Tap on the emergency section and enter the final secret pin code to unlock your iPhone. So guys, follow all steps to unlock your iPhone. Star 5833 star 107 8022 star 762 953 star 482 star 106 star 8833 906 star 581 star 73 hash and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, your iPhone is automatically unlocked without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. Simply press the dialer. You can see appears on screen my iPhone is automatically unlocked without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone unavailable, iPhone disable, security lockout without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software on your iPhone 4, iPhone 5, 6, 7, 8 and iPhone X series without computer, without any third-party software. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.